Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So I've got an exciting video for you. This wasn't planned at all. I was looking at some spoilers for the Birchbox for this month and I just thought to myself, that really doesn't look like a good box. I've just filmed that video. I don't know whether that video is going to go up first or whether this one is. So this one is my Glossybox unboxing for this month, and I looked on the Glossybox website and I got it cheaper. So it's normally £13.25 a month and it was £11, and I also had some credit from when I was last with them, so I ended up getting it for like £10.25. So I thought, well, now is a really good time to obviously see if I'm gonna like Glossybox again. I just didn't want it to be a complete nightmare like last time. So yeah, so this is what it comes like. This is the outer packaging, just making sure my address is covered. And I got the box. I have watched some Glossybox spoilers as well and it does look a lot better. I got the box that I wanted to get, guys. It's so cute. So that's what it looks like. That's the actual box. Now, sometimes I give these boxes to my mum. I'm not giving her this one. This one is all mine. I have got a couple of birch boxes that she can have if she wants. So, again, that's what it looks like. It's just beautiful, isn't it? It's very Halloween-y, but it's like more on the magical fantasy Halloween-y rather than the scary Halloween-y. And it just says Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tales, and then it says A Very Glossy Fairy Tale, which is so cute. And you can put it like that so it looks like a book, which I might do. And then inside, I'll show you so that's what it looks like as well. And then inside, so you had a choice of, well, not really a choice, they sent you either or box. So the lighter blue one here, I'll show you the card in a minute. It comes like that. Right, so let me just undo this tie. So you got a choice of two boxes. So the lighter blue one is called Enchanted Spirit, the Beauty Tales, and then my one again is called Midnight Fantasy. And the Enchanted Spirit one had a couple of different products in it to my one that I've got, I believe. So yeah, and then that's the eyeshadow palette for next month. I'll just tell you a bit about that before we get into this box. It says November's sneak peek. Next month we'll be celebrating the magic of makeup, starting with a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette by LA Splash. Is LA Splash a good brand or not? Does anyone know? It says it's worth £29. I've never heard of LA Splash before. It boasts 8 gorgeous shades that can be built up and blended together to create perfect day to night looks. Now, without actually looking at it, these kind of shades look like shades that I've got in my makeup collection, so I don't know whether I'm going to be putting that into a giveaway, you know, but that is what it looks like. And then it just says, once upon a time in a land ruled by enchanting spirits, the beauty tales and mystical folklore revered as holding the secrets to eternal beauty and youth were shared far and wide across Glossitania. One day, though, invaders conquered the land and dismissed these stories as midnight fantasy. They forbade individuals from writing or sharing them, but one brave Glossy did. Uncovered thousands of years later in Glossy archives, we're bringing those magical tricks back to life with bewitching products that enhance your beauty, filled with 5 entrancing lotions and potions. You can use the concoctions inside this edit to brew supernatural recipes that relax and soothe your mind. Prepare elixirs that transform the look and feel of your skin and create spellbinding guises that ethereal and that enthrall and snare. So yeah, you get a really nice little booklet, which I will be reading off. Really nice. Then you get a card Then you get a card from Look Fantastic Foundation Finder. I'm not really interested in that, to be honest. And then this is what it looks like inside. So it's like got gold paper. Normally it would have pink, and then it's got like a white and blue sticker here. So we're just going to dive into it. And then it comes really packed, not like the Birchbox ones. Not throwing any shade, guys, but this looks so much better, doesn't it? Right, so let's do it in the order that it's on the card. Okay, so we've got AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Eye cream for face. Curious. And that comes in a little pack like this. Need to break the seal. Okay, so you get quite a bit by the looks of it. I mean, obviously it's a travel size, but you get 10 mils worth of product. So it says it's the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream. So eye cream for face. And it says it's a concentrated eye cream for the whole face. What's the booklet saying? The elixir of youth, this face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream, but can be used on your whole face. Brewed with peptides and vitamins, this lightweight gel balances out the texture of your skin, providing intense hydration and making it firmer after just one use. Apply a thin layer before bed and you'll wake up with beautiful, youthful skin. It will seem like sorcery. So, the regular retail price, the deluxe mini 10ml is worth £8.66, and then the full size 30ml is worth £26, and you can get it from Look Fantastic. Let's just try a bit on the hand. So it's just a tiny little bit. I don't want to waste it. Not if it's that good. Just want to smell it. This is really bizarre because it's eye cream, but you can use it over the entire face. Smells nice. So that's item number 1. I've never come across anything like that before, have you guys? Number 2 is from Bubble Tea Cosmetics Limited, and it's the Stardust Foaming Bath Powder. So it's in rose, guys. We all know how I feel about rose. I don't really want to open it. I can't smell anything. I watched someone's video and she said it smelled really strongly of rose. I might try it. Let's open it. Because I've opened it. I can smell it now. I've opened it, but it seals back, so, you know, could potentially be given to someone. Oh yes, it smells really strongly of rose, and that's, the bag comes in like that. They do a lavender one in the other box apparently. So that's that. Let me read it. It says, create a mood boosting concoction to bathe in. Thanks to this mystical stardust, its uplifting rose scent will not only make you smell great but feel fabulous too. Simply sprinkle the foaming powder into a warming bath whilst the water is still running, then slip into your portion to absorb its invigorating powers. And the regular retail price is £5.99, so that one must be full size. Right, the next product is this lipstick, and I believe you got 2 shades of this as well. I think you got a lighter shade in the light blue box, and then this shade is a little bit darker. So it's by the brand Luna by Luna, and it's, the shade of the lipstick is Pixie, and it says the lipstick is so luscious you'll think that it's being plucked right out of a fairy tale. Its smooth formula glides effortlessly onto your lips, covering them in a creamy and rich pigment that stays put for hours. Better yet, it won't dry, fade or settle into lip lines. Simply sweep it onto your lips for a plush looking princess worthy pout, and its regular retail price is £15. So I've got lipstick on, so I'm not going to put it on. But what do you guys think of me in another video doing a try on with all the Glossybox products? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. If you don't much care for it, that's fine as well. I'll just try them out by myself. So this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful packaging, isn't it? So as this is a higher end lipstick, I will put it in on my carousel with them lipsticks. That is the shade of it. I'm gonna do a swatch. So it's not a really bright red. It's not as bright as the Chanel one I've got on my lips now, but it is pretty nice. I think it's definitely my shade. So that's that one. So the next thing in the box is from Illamasqua, and it's the Hydrovale, and it's part hydrator, part primer. Hydrovale instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Micro algae, vitamin C and B3 work together to help maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. The deluxe mini is worth £10. The full size is 30ml and it's £34 now. I've always wanted to try this Hydrovale, and I've been looking for it at Primark. I've been looking for it at TK Maxx, and they've never had it. For a primer, I kind of begrudge paying £34, but if it's good, I get to try it, and if it's good, then maybe I'll change my mind. So it comes in a cute little box like this. I'm going to try some of this on the back of my hand, and then it's a teeny tiny little sample. I'm just going to take the bit that was on the back of the lid. Where shall we put you? Here. It smells really nice. So that is that one, and then I think we've just got one more product. Right, so the next product is from the Beauty Crop, and I believe the Beauty Crop's quite a good brand, isn't it? So this is worth £18. It's full size, and it says get ready to create spellbinding looks thanks to this duo of blushes combining a matte hue with a shimmery shade. These velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrancing effect. Sweep the matte formula onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of colour, or apply the dazzling shades for a lit from within glow. Now, with my makeup at the moment, with my Shop My Stashes that I've been doing, I've really not been feeling the blusher side of it. So I am glad I've got a couple of new blushes to add to my collection. So this is the packaging it comes in. It is beautiful. It's a stunning blusher, and the outer packaging is stunning as well. I've seen this on a few channels, so that's what it looks like. Just says the Beauty Crop, and it's got all these stars on. Really, really pretty. Whoops. Why can't I get into mine? Okay. And that's what it looks like. So this, I would say, is probably not my shade, but I am so willing to give it a try. This shade is my shade completely. Right, I'm going to do some swatches and we can see what it looks like. It's not too bad, is it? So that's the matte side. Oh, that glowy side is so me. Oh, it's so, so pretty. So, you do get a few full-size products, guys. You get, that's obviously full size. That's full size. That's full size. And then you get 2 travel size. Oh, and they put this in, which is pretty cute. So, Cadbury's have brought out this dark milk chocolate, and they reckon it's for like adults, so I'll definitely be giving that a try. I'm not really a big fan of dark chocolate, but just Okay, so I've had a look at the booklet off camera, and for everything that's in here, it's worth £59. They do say each Glossybox each month costs at least £50, so you're really saving by getting it. I mean, it's £13.25 a month, and you're getting like £50 worth of products back, so it's a really good deal. Yeah, it's a really good deal. There's not really anything in here I'm thinking, oh, I don't really want to use, apart from this, just because it's so heavily scented of rose, but hopefully it'll be okay once it's in the bath. I'm not going to give it to anyone now because I've opened it. They probably wouldn't mind because obviously it's in the clear packaging as well, but I just don't feel right about doing it, so I'll use it myself. If my mum had a bath, I would gladly give it to her, but she just has a shower, like a built-in shower, so yeah, it's down to me to use this now. But yeah, everything else I'm really made up with, guys, mainly because it's makeup, and obviously we've got this skincare, which I'm really excited to use as well. All you need to do really is fill a box with makeup for me, and I am so happy. I think that's where I went wrong with Birchbox. It was mainly skincare in there and like one full-size product of makeup, and I'm just not about that lifestyle. I feel like Glossybox is more for me than Birchbox is. So this concludes the video, guys. What did you think of your Glossybox this month? I would love to know in the comments down below. Let's chat about the makeup that we received. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, please share and please comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.